If you fly using Microsoft Flight Simulator, then you have to have hangar control. It controls all your bindings, it launches apps, it controls your mods for your community folder, all of it. I didn't realize how powerful it was until I got into it. I want to show you. So we know it'll do a single button press, right? That's easy. So I can turn my parking brake on and off, right? So one button on my Bravo, parking brake on, parking brake off. Well, what about two buttons or two operations? Okay, with a single button. So both oil doors on my Turbine Duke and both inertial separators for both engines on. That's pretty cool. But now what about more? Okay, how about all the anti-ice stuff? One button press, all of it comes on. I can still go in and do things, change switches, what have you, right? If I want. Now if I turn them all off on my Bravo, boom, everything's off. All right, here's the real power. I have taxi lights on the down position, and I have my landing lights on the up position. Okay, so I go from landing to taxi. Now I can still go in, so let's say I want my recognition lights on. I can do that, but as soon as I change the button on the Bravo, I go back to my configuration, right? I go right back to my landing or my taxi, and that beacon is where I want it. I don't want those recognition lights on. It's called a sequence. So when you go into hangar control, it's still a single press, but you're creating a sequence. It is super powerful. I didn't realize it until I really got into it. Don't get frustrated. Get on the Discord channel. Everybody's out there to help. It's awesome.